Hello, can everyone see my screen? Perfect, great. So this is just, we're going to be running through our sales deck and we're going to take a look at everything that's happening. So as you can see here, our sales have been
Hi, my name is Avodukuri, and I'm the founder and CEO at Vizetto. We're changing the way the world communicates. This is especially critical for remote and hybrid work to succeed long term. Let's face it, remote meetings suck. They are exhausting, they're boring, we barely pay attention, and just in the US alone, it's costing companies hundreds of billions of dollars. But don't worry, we have the solution. Reactiv was designed out of the gate to go ahead and allow any presenter, hey, it's Ad again, and to go ahead and be an amazing presenter and provide an incredible whiteboard tool regardless of the platform. So it doesn't matter. You're on Zoom, you're on Teams, regardless of the platform that you use for your video conference, we actually allow every host and presenter to create an incredible meeting experience. So how do we do that? This is the magic. First of all, we allow you to pin and manage your camera. You can resize, you can control the shape and the effect of your canvas. Number two, you can present anything that you want. It doesn't matter if it's a file, document, spreadsheet, videos, it really doesn't make a difference. And here's the secret sauce. We allow you to ink using your mouse and keyboard or your pen or stylus. You could annotate, telestrate, write, and help your audience focus. And finally, we can go ahead and create amazing content by saving the ink or recording video messages such that you can share and trigger memories long term. Now, let's talk about the secret sauce. Not only do we have 20 patents filed to date, but the team here has done deep research into the neuroscience and the cognitive learning models of how we learn. So not only do we enhance reinforcement learning, which allows people to understand, but we create visual stimulus and really create this associative memory where the message, body language, the brand, everything are combined together to create a great user experience. So the market opportunity is quite large. First of all, we have a $300 billion TAM because there's over a billion video conferencing users worldwide. So when you think about every one of them upgrading to the next generation, it creates a pretty large opportunity. But from a SAM point of view, we're really focused on the top 30% of the meetings. Because according to Gartner, by 2024, the top 30% of meeting presenters will actually care about the user and meeting experience. So virtual meeting experiences are going to become critical. But from a SOM point of view, we really focus in on the bottom 100 million. So we want the top 100,000 IT consultants and 20,000 SMBs that are solution focused globally to be using Reactiv. Our business model, we sell Reactiv on a subscription basis at $30 a month. And we have higher value products that are in-room, boardroom solutions that go up to $100 a month, but our bread and potatoes is really $30 a month on your laptop. And any user in their home office or corporate environment can pick up Reactiv and create a great user experience. We have thousands of beta users. We've launched our MVP 6 months ago. As of right now, we have 300 paying users, and we already have a pipeline of 500 more paying users before the end of the month. They include everyone from Morgan State University, Muhlenberg College, Clemson University, companies like Boeing, Leidos, Audi, Toyota, all the way through to small and medium-sized businesses globally. We have significant revenues because over $400,000, but we have $300,000 as an upfront bundle payment. So one of our channel partners actually paid us a significant amount of money to be able to bundle the product with their hardware. So we do have a great channel strategy and amazing customer traction. We have a strong competitive landscape where there's a lot of companies that do something narrow we provide a full meeting experience. We're not just a synchronous or an asynchronous tool. We're both. We're not just a whiteboard, we're also presenter mode. Finally, we have a strong go-to-market strategy that allows OEM hardware partners, dealers, and direct download customers to very quickly onboard themselves with Reactiv and actually scale the business. And the final point that I want to go ahead and make is we have some significant exit strategies in mind. Number one, video conference platforms like Zoom and Teams need to enhance and differentiate their experience. So absolutely, they're looking to go ahead and diversify and strengthen their income. Hardware manufacturers, Cisco, companies like Poly, HP have a huge gap in video conferencing software and recurring revenues. Telco providers like Verizon, who recently bought Blue Jeans, or AT&T. We are a killer 5G application because when meetings are done in Reactiv, they require high-speed bandwidth and great devices. And the team is led by serial founders. I myself have over 20 years experience in product-led growth strategy and technology companies, and my co-founders, my team, likewise have decades of experience, including my board. So in summary, Reactiv has significant differentiation. We have a large market and a very unique product, and our customers love us. Check out these testimonials.
Reactiv Suite has just brought life to the experience. So I no longer have to choose between the human part of teaching and the visual part of teaching. I can have both.
Reactiv Suite it's the jam, it's the bomb, it's amazing.
What I also like is the added bringing people's opinions and thoughts and bringing them into the presentation.
Even I could use a Reactiv Suite. So I love the platform because a non-tech person can then take some of the art of communication, blend it with the neuroscience, the behavior science, and why people remember and act on those memories, and put them all together.
So the intuitive nature to be able to bring up any content from any device, from any source, enables me to stand out in my meetings and create more memorable experiences when I'm using my Ricoh interactive flat panel display in combination with Reactiv.
Well, Reactiv, first off, has really changed the engagement of my presentations. You know, for me, the ability to circle, take notes, people see my face on the screen in a larger format than you would in other platforms, my logo, their logo, but being able to draw up documents and really hammer home points allows me to make sure the audience has seen it. You know, it's me, but the software was easy to use, it really grabs attention, and again, it helps you stand out.